Welcome to the beginning of our WooCommerce 101 series. In this video, we'll cover installing WooCommerce and go through the onboarding wizard. Short and sweet, so let's get started. We first need to install WooCommerce via the WordPress admin. Logged into your site, select Plugins, then Add New. In the Search Plugins field, type in WooCommerce and hit Enter. WooCommerce will be the first result. Select the Install Now button. WordPress will then download and install WooCommerce for you. Once installed, you have the option to activate the plugin or return to the plugin installer. Select Activate Plugin so we can get up and running with WooCommerce. This then kicks off the WooCommerce onboarding wizard. This is just a few steps that help you set up the appropriate WooCommerce pages, store settings, shipping and taxes, payment gateways, and more. It is completely optional and shouldn't take any longer than 5 minutes. If you don't want to use the onboarding wizard, select Not Right Now. You can also skip any of the specific onboarding steps as needed. Otherwise, if this is your first time setting up WooCommerce, we'd recommend selecting Let's Go. Your first step is the page setup screen. This will create 4 essential pages WooCommerce needs to operate: your shop, cart, checkout, and My Account pages. These are just like normal pages in WordPress. WooCommerce will just create them and add a shortcode to each that makes them work as needed. Select Skip this step if you don't want pages created, or select Continue to have WooCommerce install the needed pages. Next, you'll have the Store Locale screen. This asks for where your store is based, which helps set shipping and tax information later on. Selecting the dropdown, you can start typing to find your country and/or state. With that set, you'll next see the Store Currency field. This will be set for you based on your store location, but you can change it if needed here. Also note the text beneath the currency field that links to a doc on adding your own currency to WooCommerce. Your last 2 settings here are for weight and dimensions units. Choose how you want to measure the weight and dimensions of your products. These again are set automatically based on your store location, but can be changed if needed. With those 4 settings covered, select Continue. We now have shipping and tax setup checkboxes. If you are shipping physical goods, be sure to check the Will You Be Shipping Products checkbox. Once you select the checkbox, 4 more fields appear: 2 for domestic flat rate shipping and 2 for international flat rate shipping. You can enter a cost for shipping per order and/or a cost for shipping per item for both domestic and international. Below that, you can also set up taxes if needed. Select the Yes, I will be charging sales tax checkbox and 2 more settings appear. You can set how you'll enter product prices, either inclusive of tax or exclusive of tax. You can even import some starter tax rates based on your store's location. With the Yes, please import some starter tax rates checkbox. We have a separate video and documentation covering the tax settings if you need further information on that later. Select Continue and let's look at the payment screen. On the payment screen, you can set up a few included gateways: PayPal Standard and our offline payment gateways, Check Payments, Cash on Delivery, and Bank Transfer. To enable PayPal Standard, you just need to enter your PayPal email address. To enable any of the offline gateways, just select the checkbox next to the appropriate one. Select Continue to head to our last screen. On the Ready screen, the last thing we bug you about is letting your store send us diagnostic data. This data is completely non-sensitive and helps us make WooCommerce better for everyone. We'll also send a 20% off coupon for WooThemes.com to the site admin's email address for helping us see how your store uses WooCommerce. Select Allow to send that data, otherwise select No Thanks. From there, you are ready to create your first product. You can go ahead and get started there, or check out some of the other resources in the Learn More section. You're already watching the first of many videos in the WooCommerce 101 video walkthroughs, but definitely check out the other resources here. If you don't want to create a product right off the bat, select the Return to the WordPress Dashboard link to see what's new in your site. You will now see WooCommerce in your WordPress admin menu. This is where you can access your orders, coupons, reports, settings, and system status, as well as any add-ons you might be using. You'll also see a menu option for products. This is where you will go to add new or edit existing products, manage product categories, tags, shipping classes, and attributes. Now you are ready to go through the next video covering general settings. Thanks for watching.